Here I have Oppo Reno 5Z, and today I'm going to show you how to change picture quality in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here in this camera you basically have only two qualities. Like you have normal quality when you just get into photo mode and you have like normal quality, but you can also enable extra HD by going to more and take photos in extra HD quality here, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.